In today's update video, I'm going to cover just a little bit on safety and then kind of go over why it is that I've been off YouTube for a little while here. So let's jump into it. So first we'll go with why I haven't been on YouTube much recently. I've posted some shorts, but I've been really under the weather, been really sick for the last about week straight, a little longer than that. But still working, still trying to recover from bronchitis and head cold while I'm working. I just haven't had the energy or time to shoot and edit videos at the same time. So I'm still around and I know that you guys are patient, so thank you for being patient with me in my absence. Now, the real reason of this update video is I want to just simply talk about job safety. We had a very influential guy who's been in the exterior cleaning and holiday lighting industry for years and years and years. A number of you might even follow him on Facebook or be in groups that he's been part of. I'm not going to mention his name on here out of respect for his family as they're dealing with this situation, but long story short, he died a few days ago as a result of an accident that he had on a job. So the story that I understand is that he was up on a ladder working on a job. I believe it was holiday lights. There was some sort of issue with a power line, and it caused him to lose his footing. I don't know if it was because of a shock or if it got in the way or what the deal was, but he lost his footing. He fell roughly 30 feet and was injured. He survived the fall, was taken to the hospital. He was coherent, talking, his arms worked and all that, and then he went in for surgery, which he never came back out of. So why am I bringing this up? I'm bringing this up because if you're in the exterior cleaning industry, or you're in the construction industry, or the roofing industry, or any job anywhere, if you're a human, there is a chance that you get permanently disabled, maimed, hurt, or even killed during your work time, right? And it's absolutely tragic when it happens. Sometimes it happens despite taking safety measures and precautions. But when it does happen, I think it's important that we really take a look at the way that we're doing things and just double check. Are we being safe? Are we taking on things that are outside of our safe abilities? And I'm not saying to be worried. I'm not saying to be, don't walk around with caution tape wrapped around your body and use 3 people to hold a ladder while you're climbing up the ladder and all that. I'm not saying be paranoid by any means. But I am saying that we do have to use these types of situations to be reminded that life can be permanently altered in an instant, and life can be lost also in an instant. So whenever this type of stuff used to happen in the military, we would kind of do a debrief or an AAR and say, what are the contributing factors to the loss of life? And it's not to degrade the life by any means. In the process of reviewing how the loss of life happened, we want to honor the person who has lost their life and support the family that lost that significant person and their community. But it's important to just take a look inside yourself, inside your organization, and ask yourself the question, are we operating in a logical and safe manner? Are we doing everything we can do to keep our people safe? And if the answer to that is no, then how can we change the way that we're doing things to restore a level of safety that is acceptable? So I know this isn't a great first update video in over a week, but I think it's necessary, and I hope that you are reminded about how important it is to be safe and how important it is to use your time with your friends and family and the people that you love while you have it, because life can be very short sometimes, and life can seem like it's going perfectly well, and all of a sudden something happens and it changes overnight. So that's pretty much what I wanted to cover today. Get out there, talk to your people, do a quick review of how you are running safety in your jobs, and let's make sure that we're all looking out for each other in this community. It's always tragic when we lose somebody. It does happen. If you're a person who prays, please pray for his family. God knows who he is and who they are. If you know anybody that's gotten hurt on a job or killed on a job, you know how impactful this can be. So hope that all of you are staying safe. I will see you soon. I will try to get some videos put together with some more educational content and how-to stuff and personal experience content, so I can jump back on the bandwagon of being helpful to you guys. And in the meantime, thank you for your patience. Thank you for your understanding. Love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.